what we are doing. Because I read the report, for instance, Madam Chair, in Singapore when they came up with the response of Anti-Scam Center. And this ASC is described as the nerve center for investigating scams, disrupting scammers' operations, and mitigating victims' losses. Going on its fourth year na po, Madam Chair, it continues to fulfill its role in Singapore's primary anti-scam agency. It's headed by Singapore Police Force and follows a multi-pronged approach to cybercrime, including, and I would just mention, no, baka kasi matuto tayo sa ibang bansa, enforcement, freezes bank accounts, intercepts money, engagement, partnership with banks for tracing and retrieval of funds, engineering, new technologies to detect and analyze scam trends, education, trains bank officers, inform public from scams. Right now, Madam Chair, more than $200 million has been recovered by the Anti-Scam Center, with the police now targeting scammers even before people realize they have fallen prey and make a report to make proactive response. I'm just sharing this because perhaps we can learn from other countries. According to NTC, binanggit nyo kanina, Madam Chair, block na yung Globe ng 784 million. Ang Smart, nag-block ng 23 million smishing messages in just 3 days. Again, yung Globe deactivated 14,058 scam link numbers and blacklisted 8,973 numbers. But again, you compare it with the 15.9 million na nagreklamo na, Madam Chair, medyo malayo pa din. So, hindi ko patatagalin itong deliberation natin. I'm sure this is very important. And for this purpose, I just want